If you're trying to decide between HostGator and Scala hosting for shared hosting, you're in the right place. Today, we're comparing these two heavyweights, so you can make an informed decision on which one offers the best shared hosting plan. Stick around to the end, because we'll dive into some of the pros and cons that might surprise you, and I've got a recommendation for a better alternative at the end. Let's start with HostGator. HostGator is one of the most popular names in web hosting, with plans that start as low as $2.75 per month. It's well known for its extensive customer support, with 24/7 live chat, phone support, and a helpful knowledge base. However, there's a catch. While HostGator is affordable, the value doesn't always match the price. Many customers report slower loading times compared to competitors, which can negatively impact your website's performance. Plus, once the renewal period hits, those low rates can increase by as much as 50%, which can be frustrating for long-term users. Next thing, let's look at Scala hosting. Scala hosting also offers shared hosting, but their pricing is slightly higher, starting at around $3.95 per month. The real selling point here is the inclusion of advanced features like Scala's own S-Panel, which is a custom-built control panel designed to be a user-friendly alternative to cPanel. This makes managing your website more intuitive, especially for beginners. But while it may seem like a great deal, some users have pointed out that Scala's customer service isn't as responsive as HostGator's, and their support system can be a bit tricky to navigate. Now, moving on to performance. When it comes to uptime, both HostGator and Scala hosting perform well, with uptime guarantees around 99.9%. But again, when comparing speed, Scala hosting has the edge. Their servers are optimized for performance, and their custom-built S-Shield security system helps protect against threats. HostGator, on the other hand, while decent in uptime, doesn't have as many performance-focused features. So, if speed is a critical factor for your website, Scala hosting might be the better option. Next thing, scalability. HostGator offers great scalability options with its higher tier plans, allowing you to easily upgrade your hosting as your site grows. Scala hosting has solid scalability as well, but might not offer the same variety of options in terms of more advanced services. HostGator's user-friendly dashboard is a plus for those looking to upgrade quickly, but Scala hosting's S-Panel is still a strong contender for simple upgrades without much hassle. When it comes to extras, both companies throw in some bonuses, like free website builders, email accounts, and domain registration for the first year. However, if you're a newbie or looking for more robust tools, Scala hosting's included tools seem a bit more polished. HostGator's basic website builder might be a good choice for simple sites, but it doesn't have the flexibility you may need if you want to grow your site with custom features. Now let's talk about pricing and value for money. HostGator's low starting price is very attractive, but as I mentioned earlier, the renewal prices can skyrocket, which could be a deal breaker. Scala hosting's pricing is a bit higher, but they tend to provide more consistent features, and their performance optimizations may justify the extra cost, especially if speed and security are important to you. So, in conclusion, both HostGator and Scala hosting have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to shared hosting plans. HostGator offers affordable pricing and strong support, but it falls short in performance and long-term value. Scala hosting provides a more performance-oriented solution with better security, but customer support can be lacking. Both of these options are solid, but after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative. If you want a hosting solution that combines top-tier performance, ease of use, and incredible value, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, if you're after a hosting service that's truly worth your time, check it out now.